video is on how to fix the inner dreads like these. Where you went, buddy, bro? Like this. I know I got a better one. You see it right there. So I know I didn't post this video on Friday, but it's coming at you a day late. But so this is how I fix mine. I still got a little bit because I stopped deconditioning. So first you want to get some silk to put on your head. It can be a silk. Don't put that on it too tight like a do-rag. That's too tight. You gotta get a bonnet. I know this is what girls use, but if you wear it after 12 o'clock at night, you straight. If you put it on before that, you basically gay. You basically saying, I'm gonna wear this before 12 o'clock and let other people around the house see me. So if you put it on after 12 o'clock and you gotta take it off at least 10 minutes after you wake up, you straight. So if you don't follow that rule, you basically gay, and just follow the rule. And so what I did was, every time I wash my hair every 3 days, and I deep condition it with some coconut oil. So I had a lot of those, but now I only got like 2, and that's in the back because I stopped deep conditioning my hair. But I used to deep condition my hair for like a month straight for every 3 days. But I was like, hey, bro, it's breaking my bank. Bro, it's breaking my bank. You feel me? $2.30, and I only use it 3 times. Every 3 times I wash my hair, that's $2.30. That's tough. So I had to move away, and I got some regular coconut oil shampoo and regular coconut oil conditioner. Started using that. So it helped me out. Started using a lot of coconut oil products. It helped me out. So what you gotta do is start using some coconut oil products. Deep condition your hair for a whole month straight for 3 days. Every 3 days. Deep condition it. And wear a bonnet. Something silk that give your hair like dread sock or bonnet, anything like that. That give your hair room. But bonnet is cheaper, so I provide a bonnet, and it's easier to find at Walmart. Like, you gotta go to Lock Sock, you gotta order the Lock Sock. You wait days. But I just wanna walk into Walmart, I'll pick it up and I go. So that's what I did. And I get a lot of coconut oil products, and now it stopped my hair from doing that. I need to do it again for a whole month straight. Go on a deep conditioner diet for my hair. Straight coconut oil products. But I'll do it again later. It ain't that serious. Only 2 dreads like that. So all the rest straight is just the back. So yeah, YouTube, peace out. I hope this video will help y'all. Leave a like. If you don't want to leave a like, leave a comment. Leave a comment. Don't leave a like. If you don't want to leave a comment, at least leave a like. Gotta do something. I know I'm dusty right now, but this is a dude's channel, so you say I'm dusty, you basically gay, and your parents gonna be disappointed.